online class. Today we will study grade 3 math unit number 1 whole number. Students, now open your book page number 2 in which we study about what is mean by whole number. So now we start at what is mean by whole number. Number is start from 0. Number is start from 0 and to be a continue. Continue means don't be a stop. Is known as a whole number. Like that 0, 1, 2, 3 and continue. These numbers are known as a whole number. This is a short definition of a whole number that to be explained. Other subtopic of this unit is even number, odd number, Roman numbers that we discuss here. Firstly is a even number. Number is divisible on the table of 2 and its remainder is 0 and the sum on the table of 2 is known as a even number. And a number is not become on the table of 2 and not be divisible on the table of 2 and its remainder is equal to 1 is known as a odd number. Next is to be a thing, to be a Roman numbers. Firstly, the Roman number is a number that we use in the Greek and Latin language. There are some symbols that we use in to make some other numbers in a Roman counting. 1 stands for I, 5 stands for V, 10 stands for X, 50 stands for L, 100 stands for C, 500 stands for D and 1000 stands for M. This is a short symbol that we are combined to each other to make the other numbers in a Roman counting. For example, you have make a 2. You have be added 2I to make a 2. That's a 2I to be a combined to make the number of 2. Next we have a 4-digit number. 4-digit number means that some number is 1, 10, 100 and 1000. 4-digit number 1, 10, 100 and 1000. This is a 4-digit number you have been discussed in this chapter. You have a place value chart that help to find out your place value and to be an understood 4-digit number. First number is 1, second number is 10, third number 100 and fourth is 1000. This place value chart helps to know that what is the place value of that number. For example, if a number 1 number have a 2, the value of a 2 is 2. But if the 10 is a 3, the value of 3 is 30. The value of 4 is 100 because it's 4 at the point of 100 and the 5 is the point of 1000. It means that the value of 5 is 5000. Number in a words rules. Firstly, somebody now that the question is to be given in a paper and also to be a book, write the numbers in word. So when you write the number in word, you have must be know that how you write the numbers in word. If you have not know the name of the number, अगर आपको नंबर का नाम नहीं पता एंड की प्लेस वैल्यू मतलब कि उस जिस जगह पे मौजूद है उसकी जो वैल्यू है वो आपने एक्सप्लेन करनी होती है. The name of the number and its place value that help to write the numbers in word. For example, 5432. This place value and the name of number help you write your number in words. Next step is to be a expand form. What is the expand form? The combination of the part of this number because it's have a parts. For example, 1, 10, 100 and 1000. These 4 parts are combined to make a 4-digit number. If you have a 2-digit number, 10 and 1 are combined to make a 2-digit number. So expand form is a form in which the numbers are to be combined to make a whole number. Predecessor, before number of the given value or a number. For example, that वो number जो आपकी value से पहले होता है. Before number of the given number. For example, you have a number of 9 and they say that write the predecessor of this number. So predecessor of this number 9 is 8. Next is the successor. After number is given of the number. After mean बाद वाला. Successor mean after number given. After number of given number. For example, you have example of 9. The successor of a 9 is 10 because that 9 after number is 10. Now the last topic is using the sign of less than, greater than and equal. So the rule of this using the sign is that less than. Left side is less than right side. When the left side is less than to the right side is known as the you use a less than sign. If you have a left side greater than to the right side line, you use a योर होमवर्क. अल्लाह हाफिज.
कितनी लंबी थी.
5 मिनट कुछ की हुई है.
बनी तो